Assalamualaikum and hi. In this lecture video, you will learn about the product rule of differentiation. The product rule must be utilized when the derivative of the product of two functions is to be taken. If ux and vx are differentiable functions and y is equals to ux multiplied with vx, then dy dx is equals to v du dx plus u dv dx. This formula can be rewritten as vu prime plus uv prime. The product rule formula can be found from your mathematical formula book in page 21. Now, let's do a couple of examples of the product rule. Example 1. Given fx is equal to x squared times e power of x, find f prime x. If you see here, the function fx is in the form of ux multiplied with vx. Therefore, we can use the product rule to find f prime x, where we know that f prime x, it is equals to uv prime plus vu prime, where our u in this case is x squared, thus du dx or u prime, it is equals to 2x. Our v, it is equals to e power of x, thus dv dx or v prime, it is equals to e power of x. Next, we will substitute these results into this formula. Then f prime x is equal to u is x squared, v prime is e power of x, then we have here plus, so plus v is e power of x and u prime is 2x. So next we will factor out the common factor, which is x times e power of x. So x times e power of x multiply with x will be, when this multiply with this, then you'll get x squared times e power of x plus times 2. So we cannot simplify further this, therefore this is the answer for the derivative of fx, which is f prime x. Second example. If y is equals to x squared root 3 times 2x minus x squared, find y prime or dy dx. You know that y can be rewritten as x power of 2 over 3 multiplied with 2x minus x squared, where y is in the form of ux multiplied with vx, where our u in this case is x power of 2 over 3. Therefore, u prime, it is equals to 2 over 3 times x power of 2 over 3 minus 1, which is negative 1 over 3. Our v, it is equals to 2x minus x squared. Thus, v prime, it is equal to 2 minus 2x. Then we will substitute the results of this to the formula y prime, it is equals to uv prime plus vu prime, where our u, it is equals to x power of 2 over 3. So x power of 2 over 3 multiply with v prime, where v prime is 2 minus 2x. 2 minus 2x plus v, where v is 2x minus x squared, 2x minus x squared, multiply with u prime, where u prime is 2 over 3 x power of negative 1 over 3. So next we try to simplify this because this answer is quite lengthy. So we will expand this. So when x power of 2 over 3 times 2, it is 2 times x power of 2 over 3. And then when x power of 2 over 3 times 2x, it is equal to, minus 2x power of 2 over 3 plus 1. Then we have plus, so plus, when 2x times 2 over 3 x power of 1, x power of negative 1 over 3, then we'll get 4 over 3 x power of 1 minus 1 over 3. 1 minus 1 over 3 because this is x power of 1. Multiply with negative 1 over 3. So 1 minus 1 over 3. Next we have minus x squared times this. So minus 2 over 3 x power of 2 minus 1 over 3. Where this is equal to 2 times x power of 2 over 3 minus 2 times x power of 2 over 3 plus 1 is 5 over 3. And then plus 4 over 3 times x power of 2 over 3. And then minus 2 over 3 times x power of 2 minus 1 over 3 is 5 over 3. And if you see here we have the term x power of 2 over 3 and another one is here. Therefore, we can combine this. We can combine this and this as a term where 2 plus 4 over 3 is 10 over 3 x power of 2 over 3. And the next we have this one, the term is x power of 5 over 3, and then we have another one here. That means we can combine this and this. So negative 2 minus 2 over 3 is negative 8 over 3. So negative 8 over 3 x power of 5 over 3. Okay, you can leave your answer like this, or if you want to simplify further, you can factor out the common factor, where you can do this as 2 over 3, and then you can multiply with 5, because 5 times 2 over 3 is 10 over 3, x power of 2 over 3 minus 4 x power of 5 over 3. 5 over 3. So either you give your answer like this, or you can also give this one. Okay, that is y prime for the given function y. Third example. Find the derivative of the function y equals to ln x cos x. Okay, if you see the basic formula involving ln that you have is y equals to ln x, where it is in the form of y equal to ln a variable. But now you don't have a variable here. You have it as an expression, where the expression is x cos x. So what we have to do, we need to assume this expression as a variable so that we have it in this form, y equals to ln a variable. Okay, so we let, I'll erase this first. I'll erase this. Sorry. So we let u, or maybe I'll use w, it is equals to x cos x. Okay. Then x cos x, and we know that we need to find dy dx, and in order to find dy dx we need to use the chain rule in this case. So when we let w equals to x cos x, then you need to find dw dx, where dw dx can be found by using the the product rule, because this is in the form of u times v. Okay, so we have to use the chain rule in this case in order to find dw dx. So what will happen? Then dw dx, it is equals to uv prime plus vu prime, where we know that our u, it is equals to x, then u prime, it is equals to 1, v, it is equal to cos x, thus v prime, it is equals to negative sine x. So we will substitute this into this in order to get dw dx. So dw dx, it is equals to uv prime x times negative sine x plus vu prime, so cos x multiply with 1. So it is equals to negative x sine x plus cos x. Okay, so that is dw dx. So we need to find, remember your function is y, which is y in terms of x, and we want to find the derivative of y, which is y prime, or dy dx. Okay, so dy dx, it is equals to, okay, just now, sorry, before that, we have just now assumed that this as w. Okay, just now we have assumed this as w here. So that's mean y, it means that your y, it is equals to ln w. Okay, so dy dw is equals to 1 over w. And remember, our main objective for this question is to find dy dx. Thus, what you have to do, we will use the chain rule in order to find dy dx, where dy dx is dy dw multiply with dw dx. And if you see here, if we cancel out the term dw, then we get dy dx, which is equal to the left hand side of the equation. So dw dx is this one, so we will substitute that, and dy dw is 1 over w. So we'll substitute that into the formula. 1 over w multiply with negative x sine x plus cos x. Okay, and just now we know that our function is in terms of x, but here we still have the variable w, so we need to substitute this w so that dy dx will be in terms of x, where we know that w is x cos x. Thus, we have it negative x sine x plus cos x over x cos x. Okay, so you can leave the answer like this. All right, so that is this example demonstrate the use of product rule with chain rule in order to find the derivative of y. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.